My dad is being suffering with a knee pain almost from 15 years, and whereas it got worse year by year.
నాకు కాలు ఫస్ట్ కుడి కాలు నొప్పి వచ్చింది, తర్వాత ఎడం కాలు నొప్పి వచ్చింది. చాలామంది డాక్టర్ల కాడికి వెళ్ళాను, అందరూ ఆపరేషన్ అన్నారు. నేను కొంచెం టైం తీసుకొని చేర్చుకుంటాను అనుకున్నాను, టైం తీసుకున్నాను. నేను ఆగస్టు దాకా ఉంటాను అనుకున్నాను, కానీ ఎక్కువ నొప్పి వచ్చేసింది.
And my dad's close friend Nageshwar Rao came and referred Madan Tiruvengada Sar's name and Apollo Hospitals Chennai. And my dad visited as initial days to evaluate sometime back in April. During that time, Madan sir did a complete body checkup and complete evaluation and suggested or recommended to go for a total knee replacement robotic surgery.
So he contacted me about 6 months ago because this is a unique procedure. We do it at Apollo Hospital. His son was in from US. He came down especially for his father's surgery, and particularly he wanted a robotic knee replacement.
Due to his pain levels, we were rushed, and the operation has been done on 25th under Madan Tiruvengada Sar's observation at Apollo Hospitals Chennai.
The patient has been mobilized on the same day, and within 2-3 days they have been mobilizing well. In fact, patient within 1 week he was able to walk without any support, and I was glad to hear from his mouth that he's been climbing the stairs within a week or so, and his son is quite happy that he's flying back after his father's successful surgery.
ఇప్పుడు బాగా నడుస్తున్నాను, అంతా మదన్ తిరువెంగడ సార్ దయ, ఆయన వల్ల నాకు బాగుంది.
So overall, the Madan Tiruvengada Sar's experience was very good, and his treatment was so, friendly, and thanks to Apollo Hospitals Chennai as well.